I got this idea from nowhere. This is just an idea I got while making s'mores with my family. I'm just gonna trace it. I'll make a tracing looking, well, no, I'll make a sketch. I'll make a sketch of it first, and then I'll, like, draw the actual thing, and then I'll show you later. I'll just make a horrible sketch. Then... Fun. Look at his chin. Okay. And Jonah. Horrible drawing of Jonah. Then their bodies or something. He's... Wait, no, that would be like, wait, okay. He's all legs. Just... Wait, and then Jonah. Also, why is that? Alright. Wait, let me make it in red. Fire guy. Why you look so mad? He's shorter than Jonah. Okay, and then you've got arms. And then stick with a marshmallow in it. And then he's on the Wait, Ben's dead. I just realized that. Ben's dead, so he's a ghost making marshmallows. Hey, why does that look so... Okay. He's a ghost with wings. I don't know. He's dead.